Hello Bonnie Fangs, welcome to the bush. Guys, have you ever been in a bushveld there on a little 4x4 overlanding trippie over there and all of a sudden sit jy vas soos 'n chappie in 'n rooikop laat se hare? What? Porridge wheel. Don't worry, never fear when crazy very on here. Come with me. Zack Jack. Bloody beautiful, can you see that? Small, compact, lightweight. And will lift up an effluent. Bloody amazing! Whoever thought your sack can be a jack? Jette, krag, waar's jou einde? Jette, can you see that? It's true what my father always said. A goeie pomp is a lekker pomp. And that's what you need. That's all you need. And you're Zack Jack. We do. Check them out. Zack Jack. Okay, thanks.